Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach one more theorem of similar triangles for class 10. I have already taught two theorems and the question based on the two theorems, Thales theorem and the converse of Thales theorem in previous videos. So what is angle bisector theorem and how to prove it? So first of all, let us study about the statement. The statement of the angle bisector theorem is: in a triangle, the bisector of any angle divides the opposite side in the same ratio of sides containing the angle. So look at this. Suppose this is a triangle ABC and AD is the bisector of angle A. So AD divides opposite sides. That means BD upon DC is equal to AB upon AC. Divides the opposite side in the same ratio of the side containing the angle. यानी opposite side कौन सा है? BC. इसका divide करो BD upon DC किस ratio में? जिन दो side के बीच में angle है, that is AB and AC के ratio. So we have to prove this. This is the statement of theorem. Now what is given? Theorem have 5 parts. One is diagram. The second part is given. Then write to prove. Then construction, if we require some construction in the figure, then proof. So diagram is there. What is given in the question? In triangle ABC, AD is the bisector of angle A. What is to be proved? To prove BD upon DC is equal to AB upon AC. So some construction is required. To write construction, draw CE parallel to DA and extend BA to E. Draw CE parallel to DA and extend BA to E. This is the construction part in this theorem. So please write down this, and then I need this space to prove the theorem. Okay? I am rubbing this space. So construction, draw CE parallel to DA, extend BA to E. This is the construction part. Now proof. In triangle BCE, DA is parallel to CE by construction. So therefore, BD upon DC is equal to BA upon AEY by Thales theorem. Thales theorem हम पढ़ चुके हैं पहले. What is Thales theorem? Thales theorem in a triangle divides a line. In a triangle, if a line is parallel to one of the side, divides the opposite sides in the same ratio. हम पढ़ चुके हैं Thales theorem में. तो write here by Thales theorem and give the equation number 1. Okay? Now also what is given? BAD is equal to angle CAD given, क्योंकि आपको दिया हुआ AD is the bisector of angle A, but angle BAD is equal to angle AEC. Why? Look at this. बहुत ध्यान से देखना है. BAD, this angle, is equal to AEC, this angle के y, because of corresponding angles. क्यों corresponding angles? AD parallel EC and BE is transversal. बहुत ध्यान से देख लीजिए, मैंने लिख दिए एक बार. Corresponding angles हैं ये, क्योंकि BA and CE are parallel and transversal is what? BE. Suppose that these two lines are parallel and this is transversal. So what about these angles called? These angles called corresponding angles. So this pair called corresponding angles. That's why they are equal. And DAC is equal to angle ACE. Why? Because of alternate interior angles. Same. DA is parallel to EC, but AC is transversal. Here DA is parallel to EC, but AC is transversal. This, like this. So this is equal because of corresponding angle. This is equal because of alternate interior angle. Put these value of angle BAD and DAC here in the equation number 2. This gives the equation number 3. This gives the equation number 4. So from 2, 3 and 4. What is BAD equal to? AEC. What is DAC equal to? ACE. Now in triangle AEC, AEC is equal to ACE. So if two angles are equal, side opposite them are also equal. AEC, this angle के सामने कौन सा साइड है? AC. और ACE, this angle के सामने कौन सा साइड है? AE. Side opposite equal angles are equal. So AC is equal to AE. So put that value of AC here in place of AE. So this is the equation number 5. So from 1 and 5, BD upon DC is equal to AB upon, in place of AE put AC. This is proof. ये प्रूफ करना था ना, BD upon DC is equal to AB upon AC. This is the proof of angle bisector theorem. I hope it's clear to all of you. Okay, so now please write down it properly. It's clear to all of you? Okay, that's all from this video. We will meet in the next video, inshallah.